Hi guys, welcome to Coda Artisan Lab. This is video number 15 for hotel management system in Django with Next.js. In this video, we are going to create the review models. We will create the table structure for the reviews where we can save the reviews data, right? So if I show you in the front here, you can see that these are the reviews. So we will save this data in the particular table. So we'll create that table. Currently we are creating the models, right? We are creating the structure of the database, so we can save the data in we can manage and save the data in specific content type in the specific table, right? So this is in this video we are going to create the reviews. Then we will create the contact model. We will create the contact queries model where we will save the contact data, which when user try to contact the user try to contact the admin, then we will save these data, right? In a previous video we have created the rooms model, right? If I show you in the Django admin, and you can see here we have created these models, and in the particular previous we have created rooms booking, payments, all these things in our previous video. So let's start to create the review model for saving the reviews data, right? So this is our view all page. So let's create this model. All right, so what we need to do, the first thing is we need to save the user, the who is the user, then the comment, and then the rating, right? So let's go to here, and let's we have a home, we have a room. So what we will need to do in the website, model will go to the in the website app, we have a models here we will create, right? So let's remove this. Okay, one more thing we need to open, it's a setting, and I will add website here, right? And the model, let's create class review model. So first thing is we need to save the user, right? So let's open the other apps, let's say event, let's say model, right? So first of all we'll import this user, right? And then the user who is creating the reviews, who is making the reviews, right? So we'll similarly we will do the same foreign key relationship, right? And then review text equal to models dot text field, right? And then rating will be 1 of 10, so models dot integer field, right? Okay, so this is our rating fields, right? So review text can be blank, can be null, right? But rating should be default 0. If not entered anything, then default 0, or we can say default 1, right? And then so this is our user, this is a section. And one more thing, for what user is rating, right? So we'll say it will attach with the booking, right? So let's import, so from we can say, okay, so we have to say two bookings, one is for event and one is for room, right? So we'll say room booking equal to models dot sorry models dot foreign key relationship, and we need to import this room booking. So from rooms dot models import booking, right? So this is booking, and on delete it will be set models dot set null, and null can be true. because in any case if event is event has review, then this will be null. If booking has review, room booking has review, then event will be null, right? So let's import from event dot models, import event booking, right? All right, so this is our event booking now, right? So review, and then one more thing, add time equal to models dot date time field and auto equal to true. Okay, so these are the fields which associate with the review model, right? Now let's migrate this in our table. Okay, so what we need to do, I will I will stop the server, and then py manage dot py make migrations, and manage dot py migrate, right? Then manage dot py run server. Right, now let's go to our database. Okay, database here, Django LMS, schema, tables, and if you can see, then here we have a website reviews, right? So these are the fields that we have created. Okay, all right, so now we have created the let's add in the admin section also. Let's add in the admin section. Okay, so for the admin section, what we need to do here in the admin, let's open any of the admin, event admin. Let's copy this one, let's paste it here. Okay, so we have only one model, which is review. Let's remove all of this, right? And what we have now. Okay, so if I see this, then you can see here reviews, add review. So we can add according to the user, according to the room booking, according to the event booking, right? So these are the this is the review. Okay, so when we create the API, so we can fetch the data. We will fetch all the data, but in particular we will see what kind of data it is. Okay, so now I think let's create our contact query model also, right? So if I go here in the recent videos, so this is done, right? This is done. Now let's create the contact query model. Okay, all right, so for the contact query model, we need 1 2 3 4 not captcha, 1 2 3 4 fields, right? So we'll create this in a website. So what it will be, let's say contact, we'll simply say contact, then full name, what we have, email, mobile, message, right? So this is text field, sorry, so this is our text field. Add time, we need that. Integer field, this is correct, no need for default. Email is correct, char field, right? In the char field we have to define the max length, the max length, right? And okay, so max length, and then we also need the full name. So let's define the full name. Okay, and all these fields are required: full name, email, mobile, message, add time. It will automatically create that. Now let's make the migration and see in the table. Okay, okay, so let's close stop the server, then py manage.py make migrations, and then py manage.py migrate, and then py manage.py run server. Okay, so here we have. Now let's go no, not here. We also need to add in the contact in the admin, add the contact in the admin. So contact, right? And if I refresh this table, sorry, if I refresh this 21 tables website contact, and if I go to the table, you can see here. Okay, and in the admin also it will show here. Where is that? Are we running the server website? Where is that? Okay, we need to rerun the server again. Here we have, so here you can see that contacts. All right, so full name, email, mobile, and message, right? So this part is also done, right? Now in the next video, not this one, sorry, in the next video we will try to, this is not a 16th video, actually this is a part of 15, right? So I will say this one, right? So this can be 16, I will change the numbers. So in the next video we will work on extending the user model to save the extra fields like mobile, profile image, because when Django comes with authentication or user model, it has specific field first name, last name, username, email, password, but we will extend the core user model, and we will create extra fields for the user, right? And then we will use the we will try to create the flat pages like about us, private privacy policy and all, right? So I will try to cover these two things in the next video. Then we will work on the career model, right? Like we have a link in the footer, so user can upload his CV and all. Setting model, right? This career model I will not extend this too much. I will just accept the data from the user and just save in the database, so you hotel management admin can see that, right? Then banners model, we have banners at the home page, so we'll create that, right? So maybe in next 2-3 videos we will definitely uh, create all the models and things, then we will start the API, and if we need something then we will create the things on the way, right? So thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any question, any query, then please ask in the comment section, and please subscribe this channel, like this video, share this video, and if you are enjoying this series, then please add in the comment section that hey Code Artisan Lab, yes I'm enjoying, or you can just say enjoying, right? So thank you so much, and let's meet in the next video. Thank you.